Hey guys, welcome back. We were talking about J2ee and guess what? We'll continue with it. Now we'll start with J2ee, okay, actually. Earlier we just in the previous tutorials we just completed Java core, don't we? Yeah, we do. Now we'll talk about J2ee from the starting. Let me initiate the previous basic work. So what is J2ee? J2ee is Java 2 Enterprise Edition. It's just a full form of it, but actually what is it? I'll say basically that it's a platform. J2ee is simply a platform independent Java centric environment from Sun for developing, building and deploying web based enterprise application online. Over here, platform independent means that the application you created through J2ee will work in any OS irrespective of the OS within the machine. So it can work within camera, it can work within computer, anywhere provided the machine has Java virtual machine. Java centric environment, what does it mean? Java centric environment simply means that it is done using Java. Okay. Okay guys, so sorry, there was a technical problem. I really am sorry for that. Let's continue. Okay, yeah. So what does Java centric environment means? Over here, this Java centric environment, what does it mean? Java centric environment. It simply means that we create these application using Java language. Okay. From Sun, well, Sun developed it, but remember guys, now Oracle has owned it. Okay, Sun is no more. We have the Java is basically been monitored by Oracle enterprises now for developing, building and deploying. These are the three things we'll do in J2ee. We'll first of all develop the application by coding it. Believe me, that's the most difficult part. Then we build it. By building, I meant to say that then the compiler, interpreters, all those will act actually, and the application launcher will get created based on the OS, basically which will run on the Java virtual machine within that OS. So what is the application launcher over here? Has extension R, EAR, which stands for Enterprise RJ. So building the Java virtual machine acts upon our code which we did during developing during this thing, and it basically creates a EAR file, and deploying means deploy it onto each and every client connected to this server. Okay, yeah. So J2ee is a platform independent Java centric environment from Sun for developing, building and deploying web-based enterprise application online. I hope you understood it guys. Let me continue. Oh come on. Okay, fine. So J2ee platform consists of set of services, APIs and protocols that provide the functionality for developing multi-tiered web-based application. Over here, J2ee platform consists of set of services, basically means set of libraries, packages, APIs. Well, it means one of the same thing. Well, like see, we have by services we meant to say that JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. We have Maven, All these you will come to know afterwards. These all things are services. NetBeans is what? It's a service. Okay, so it consists of set of services. APIs, by APIs we meant to say packages, like we have Java default package which is java.lang available. We have, that's by default for every Java language programs, and we have servlet package, we have JDBC package, we have SQL package. There are a hell lot of package you will see now. So these all comes within APIs. And protocols. Protocols means set of rules that provide the functionality for developing multi-tiered web-based application. You'll understand this more in the coming slides. Okay, yeah, cool. So let's continue. We are now will talk about archives, descriptors, and manifest file. Okay, yeah. So what is archives? Oh, come on. First of all, we'll talk about, before talking about archives, let me complete descriptor and manifest. Manifest is basically a .xml file. Okay, we will create such kind of files, but manifest is just a .xml file. I'll show you one manifest file right now. Let me go to my document, NetBeans project. Now these all are J2ee projects, so definitely it should have manifest. I'm simply gonna go to the first one, and within this is a build, you see, yeah, so this is and we have this one too, webinf. Got it? Yeah. So manifest file is one of the files. Well, though it has an extension of .mf by default, but guys, it is an XML file. Okay, it doesn't mean mf means it's not an XML file. Actually its extension is XML only. What does manifest contain is that, see, J2ee you are using the technology J2ee. J2ee can do anything. By anything I meant to say making media player, to making a bank management software, to making a payroll, to making graphical intensive games, Xbox 360 games, anything you want to do, almost anything, provided you have logic, you have skills, you can do it through J2ee. But don't you think that if you are making a simple application, say Kelsey, at that time all these services we do not require, like we during Kelsey we do not require net, so the project shouldn't import the functionality services required for net, because if it does there will be overhead, program may be slow, program initialization, that is starting of the program phase at that time, or we say booting of the program, definitely will be slow. How could we say the OS to not load the networking services for during when we basically start our program? Well, we do all these things within manifest. Okay, so in manifest we simply tell the functionalities which are required by our application. Got it? Yeah, cool. So I'll tell now about web descriptor in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, comment, and please subscribe, guys. Thanks.